Most likely, if you open your wall, you will discover one of these round boxes which has 2 screws that you need to install. So you remove your old screws and insert new ones. This will be its final resting place. I'm just using a regular pin. I'm down to this tiny nub. Here is this cool bit. So now I don't have a screw that has to go in. I have this quick connect disc. All right, and now we connect. So we'll push this thing down. Then kind of push it in place, turn it around. That's it. Now it's snapped into place. There you go. So we don't even, so we turn it sideways, and the piece snaps in from the inside, securing it into place. Again, put on the iPro. And let's get back to the grinding. here, I can already get into the hole. Well, here, this ledge here gets in the way. Before I seal it all the way around, I'm going to run a test and see if it works. So I'm going to go in the garage and flip the breaker. And there we have it. The light is up. I just only need to seal it around, and then we have to wait until the evening so we can get some night shots all the way around with all the new lights, since we have 3 of these installed around the whole front of the house. See you guys in a bit. This sealant this is what I'm using, and I purchased it at either Home Depot or Lowe's, I don't remember, but it's a good sealant all the way around. I've used it quite a bit. First I'll take some pictures of around this thing so you can see what it looks like installed. I need to get a rubber glove just in case, so I can smooth out the sealant throughout the seams. Let's see how messy I can make this. Some places have like really big gaps, or about this big over here, so you have to kind of gunk it in there. Try not to put too much, otherwise you're gonna have to wipe it off and smooth it out, or you'll just have these chunks of silicone that's laying around here. I don't know how you can see it from there. I'll take another picture. Here I have another big gap. Pretty much you want to seal all the way around, not leaving any space, but some places will require more sealant than the others, especially if the wall is not even, just like this one. But right now, first I'm trying to fill in like the bigger gap. Personally, I'd rather have more silicone out there, more sealant, than not enough. Because you do have electrics behind it. If it rains, if it gets in there, you might as well just better seal it off. This is outside after all. Now I have plenty around there. I can cap this thing off. And I'll just smooth it out running my finger over it. Mostly being concerned with this side and below, since this is what's exposed to the outside. This side is kind of close to the door. So since your finger at first is going to be much easier to slide around before it gets gunked up with a bunch of other stuff. Unless you want to keep on changing the gloves. But just kind of smooth it out. Anything needs to be pushed into the crevices, make sure that it gets in there. Because this silicone is not just apply it right away and forget about it. Later on today, after it sets a little bit, I will come back here and take a look. And if any of the places need to be touched up, they will get touched up. And this is what I was talking about there. You see that the finger gets all gunked up. So now it's not coming off as smoothly. So I guess I'll switch out the finger. Alright, so now 2 good dirty fingers. And since this light is being installed for hopefully around 10 years, being an LED light, it should last as long. And that's why I want to make sure that it's all seated and positioned really well, so it can last for an extended period of time. Let's hope for 10, maybe it's more, who knows, but maybe by then there'll be some more advances in electricity and the efficiency of electricity. We'll see. But for now, this is it. We're done. Let's wait until tonight. As long as it's dark, we'll take some pictures.